Mike and I decided that we should probably do some self-defense stuff. And Tae Kwon Do has a lot of movements and techniques that, you know, are very strict and form-like, you know, like Pumse. But if you apply it to real life and you're practicing it over and over again, you should be able to react when something happens, right? So the first issue we're gonna address is grabbing. I don't like it when people grab me without me knowing, so how do you react if you're a Tae Kwon Do person or if you're anyone? So a lot of what we work on in Tae Kwon Do, we practice over and over again, but when we use in real life, do we freeze up or is it muscle memory that reacts? So Mr. Mike here is going to be the aggressor. So we're going to demonstrate some ways that you can use Tae Kwon Do movements, and not precisely, but Tae Kwon Do movements to defend yourself from someone grabbing you in different ways, okay? So, you know, a lot of times is, you know, some people grab by the arm. So he's gonna grab me here, like this. So I don't like this, but we know that the weakest part of the hand is the thumb, right here. So for me to get out, yeah, you can grab on that side, but that side's it. So look, yeah. So here, you know, I can't, he's gonna tug on me really hard. But you see where his thumb is? I'm gonna point where his thumb is, and that's the way of getting out. Okay, so once you get out, does that really solve your problem? And you still have this person here, right? So, so if he's going to try and hurt me and grab me, I'm probably gonna try to get out and attack him at the same time. So I'm not gonna hit him hard.
I don't think I signed up for this.
So, you know, first is getting out.
And if you go straight back here, you're also a lot of
people react with this, and then you forget this other hand too, which is really free. So you could do this, you could do this, you could do this, you know, you could kick, you could do, you know, you have all your limbs except for one hand, you know, and they're always concentrating on what is happening is the grabbing. Okay, so again, like I said, first you want to get out. And I would say run as fast as you can. Try to get away from the aggressor and get help. That's the first line of defense. Second, if you can't get out, you know, and then I'm gonna have to do some kind of attack move. So either, you know, I get out, I can chop, and then come here. That is a neck technique. Sorry, that's a little bit hard. I'm sorry. But just hard enough.
It doesn't feel good.
It doesn't feel good. So I'm controlling my movements again. So if I get out, hit it, and then come back. So this part of the neck right here is really sensitive, and I had some injuries on that one. So if you're gonna really hit him like you're gonna chop through 3 boards, that's probably gonna hurt really hard.
Let's bring out this aggressor.
Okay. Oh, you don't want to demonstrate? So again, I'm gonna get out, hit his hand, and then look at my swing fast, and then I'm going to go the opposite direction, Okay? So here's another one where someone grabs your shirt. You know, this happens in school sometimes. This happened to me in school. So someone's grabbing you, and there's so many ways you get. Look, you have your hands, you have your legs. Okay? So, nice and music. Alright. So you're gonna grab here. So you're here, so a lot of people focus on this, right? So you have your hands. So look, I can go through, and then I can pop his eardrums. That really hurts. Now, try again. Now that's if you really feel like you can't do anything. This technique really does pop the eardrum, and it really can hurt somebody. So if you're in a situation where you feel like your life is in danger, up, pop the eardrum. There's another one. If you don't feel like so much that your life is not in danger, so you can go here, and you get the push kick, low to the groin, and run. Lots of ways. So here, if I don't want to pop the eardrum, come here, kick the groin, push kick. Okay? There's some other hand techniques you can do. I can go here, chop these arteries right here together. It doesn't feel good. One more time, grab here. I'm not gonna steal, he's gonna grab hard. And then I'm gonna aim for his nose, break his nose. So again here. So as fast as you can, and then run. Popping the ears, last resort if you're gonna try to break somebody. So some other grabbing. I'm gonna stop here actually from behind. Mike's gonna grab me like a bear grab.
Yep.
That's usually, so, kidnappers is what they do, right? So first thing you want to do, again, you have, don't freak out. That sucks. First is you're just gonna sit. Sit here, like this, get your bearings, and then if you can get out fast, run. But if you feel like that it's not gonna happen, I'm going to sit and then elbow and then go here, right here.
I knew that.
So yeah, so here the groin, here, and then run. You can also do, one other thing you can do is, he's gonna really try to get me. So here, if you can't, if you want to punch it, you can. So, or inside the thigh. So this inside thigh also is really, really sensitive. The groin, it actually is sometimes more sensitive. So if you're dealing with someone, it's inside the thigh, punch it, kick it. Again, just sit down to get out of the bear hug and get out. So that's another grab movement that you can do. Taekwondo, we try to do self-defense and we defend ourselves hopefully before something happens. So if I want to intercept something, like I feel like I see somebody coming to grab me and I'm like, I don't know that person. So he's gonna try and grab me.
Maybe we're fighting.
Or maybe you're fighting.
Arguing,
yeah.
Arguing.
Yeah, and you're coming. So if I see him coming grabbing me, I can lock his arm. So I caught it. And I'm gonna either kick him, or knee him in the head. Either way, or break his arm. Whatever I need to do, or I take him down.
This does not feel good either.
No, it does not. And I can break his arm if I want to, but depending on how aggressive he is. But again, I'll do it one more time. So if he's trying to try and grab me, again, I want to be aware of my surroundings and see what available defense I have. So he's going to attack me anytime, and I'm going to catch him off guard. So again, here you got him, you can kick him, you can knee him, bring him down to the ground or break his arm. Again, breaking the arm is a last resort. That is if you feel your life is in danger. And let me show you how we do that. So look, when any kind of this technique, you want to make sure this elbow is locked. So when I did this, the elbow is locked. There is no way that it's hard for him to bend it. So if the elbow is locked, it's really hard for him to do anything about it. So when you do this technique, you make sure that elbow is locked. And that really hurts.
And there are ways to get out of it, but it's...
Yeah,
a normal person's probably not going to.
A normal person. Now, you find someone who knows jiu-jitsu, obviously you're going to do a different tactic. But in situations where you're in the street and most people who are trying to get you, they're just grabbing you and doing basic movements like that, you should be able to react. And again, be aware of your surroundings. There's nowhere that you shouldn't think, oh, I'm safe. You're always aware of things around you and just be smart. Running away is perfectly okay if you're in danger, but if you're in a situation where you can't run away, then you have to think self-defense.
The way to make sure that you're in a safe place is to be aware. Being aware makes you safe.
Yeah.
When you think that you are safe, then you become not aware, then you're not safe.
So in general, we don't want to use our Taekwondo techniques, or we don't want to hurt anyone, but and that is preventing those things to happen. So being aware and making sure you're preparing yourself for a safe, environment. Otherwise, if you put yourself in a situation where you are in danger, then a lot less opportunities for you to escape happens. So, well, thanks for joining us for a quick self-defense class. All right, until next time.
You're the dummy next time.